Huawei P10 Lite battery change. How to change the battery Huawei P10 Lite? You can see this Huawei P10 Lite mobile battery have problem, it's damaged. So first you have to remove these two screw. You need a screw for Huawei mobile. This screw is very small. I have to change another screwdriver. And now I remove these two screw. You can see. Already done to remove two screw. Now you can see this already up in the phone because battery become big size. It's damaged battery inside. So I have to remove the case. Before remove the case, first you have to remove the SIM card tray, SIM slot. Now I have to remove the SIM slot, SIM tray. Okay. And here is finally open the phone. Now you have to remove that screw for that fingerprint cable and the display cable. You have to remove the screw first. My screwdriver is not very good. You need a very good screwdriver set, all in one. You can buy from any shop, any mobile shop, and you can buy the battery from any mobile shop, hardwiring shop that you can find, or you can find in the online. Now I have to remove the fingerprint cable, and now another side I will remove for the battery cable screw. You can see it is two screw, another one there inside paper. Okay, have to remove this, the charging cable, and this is the battery, and this is for the display cable. You can see already remove the cable. Now I will remove the battery. You can see the battery is damaged, totally damaged the battery. Okay, now you have to little bit heat up the battery because the under battery have some glue. So now I will try to remove the battery. Okay, you can see how I remove the battery. Have to do very slowly because inside battery have the glue out, downside of battery have glue. You have to remove it slowly. Okay, you can see it's come out, almost done. Be careful, have to do it very slowly. Don't do it fast, it will be damage your display or something. Okay, you can see it's totally remove the battery. Okay, now I will use the new battery. Before I use new battery, I need the double face sticker. That double face sticker have glue to take the battery. You can see this is the double face sticker. I put under battery because new battery have no glue. Okay, you have to take that paper, double face sticker paper. I am doing slowly. Okay, now this is the battery, new battery, and I am going to put this now. Okay, check the position first. It is good. Okay, remove first. You have to connect all the cable. This is charging cable. I connect, and this is for display. And now I connect the battery cable and close the screw. Lock it first and then tight screw. That side have two screw, and here you connect the fingerprint cable first before close. Be careful. Okay, now close that still with screw. Almost done. Okay, now close the case and check it is working or not. You can see before it was not close the case, and remove the SIM tray and remove the two screw backside. Okay, almost done. Sorry. And now I press the power button and you can see it's working. Alhamdulillah, it's working now. So if you want to change any Huawei battery, you can change it at your home. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.